Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the upper oven broil element in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Remove the oven rack. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the broil element to the rear of the oven. Use tape to secure the front of the shield. Now unthread the front screws securing the element. Disconnect the wires from the terminals to fully release the old element. Make sure the wires don't slip behind the back panel. Install the new broil element by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Position the element and thread the 4 screws to secure. Remove the tape from the shield. Replace the rack. Then reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.